Hello everyone, G-Mech again, back with another video. Gonna be doing a little brake work here on 94 Chevy K2500 6.5 diesel. As you can see, brakes are getting pretty close. I have a torn boot on that caliper. And not only brake work, if you see the grease all in there, I have a pinhole in my axle right there. So we're gonna take and replace that. So thought I'd show the video, a quick brake caliper and brake pad replace. I got new rotors for it too, so here we go. Okay, now we're going to take and remove the caliper. So we got two bolts down here that hold the caliper on. Just loosen them up. Get it on there. Loosen them up. Can leave the bolt right in the caliper. I think we're also going to take and loosen up the brake line right away as well. Go get a drain pan for that so we can catch the brake fluid. It's not going to hurt. Change the brake fluid as well. Alright, got a 10mm socket. We got a 11mm socket to take our brake line off. We got our drain pan on the floor. We're going to get brake fluid out of that. I have the new caliper, rebuilt, remanufactured in the USA. Let that drain out. And get a pry bar and pry off that caliper. Sometimes you have to get just to loosen up, but with the line being off, normally I'd loosen up the bleeder a little bit. Now we just pry our caliper right out. And that boot was broke, as you can see, all the way around. So we're putting a new caliper on. Set that in the pan for right now. Now the other cool thing here about these 90 Chevy trucks, very easy to remove the rotor. Barring some rust, of course. No big deal, but it was good they were replacing this too.